Hey guys, welcome to Swift in 1 minute, and in this video we're going to talk about type methods in Swift. So guys, as the name suggests, type method are the methods which are called over the type itself. So what do I mean by that? Let's take an example. Here we have this camera class in which we have this method called record video, and we have also written a keyword called static right here, as you can see. So this is a type method because we have written static keyword against it. You can also use a class keyword since we have already using a class type, because class keyword will also make it a type method. What is the difference between class and static? This class simply allows you to override the implementation of this method whenever you subclass this camera class, whereas static keyword does not allow you to do that, because static keyword has final keyword behind the scenes, about which we will talk in the next video. So how you will call this method? You will simply write camera dot record video. That's all for calling this type method. So guys, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Jai Hind.